Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be doing the Android benchmark comparison between all of the smartphones. So in this video, I'll be using only the Snapdragon processor, starting from the Snapdragon 710 to the Snapdragon 865 processor. So there is another video coming in the next episode on the MediaTek processors as well. So even I got plenty of MediaTek processors mobile phones around here. So definitely subscribe to my channel for more details. So recently I got the POCO X3 in my studio, and I did so many videos. I did upload on the POCO X3 as well. So try to check in terms of the PUBG gaming and charging test while playing the PUBG at same time. So that video will be very interesting. If you want to know, check the playlist of the POCO X3 as well. And few of the users they do ask me this kind of question: what is the wallpapers which I am using in all of the smartphones? So make sure to check the wallpaper playlist as well. So there is separate playlist which is available only for the wallpapers. So as you can see here friends, so where I did plenty of wallpaper reviews on each and every model. So it doesn't matter what punch hole or anywhere it is having, so I'll try to make wallpaper available for each and every smartphone. So let's get started without wasting any time. So starting with the Realme X smartphone. As you can see friends, right now I'm using the Realme X, which has a Snapdragon 710 processor. The Snapdragon 710 processor scored around 2,20,000 of Antutu benchmark test. And next I'm having the POCO M2pro mobile phone. The POCO F2 Pro scored around the score of 2,48,000. You can clearly see that difference. As you can see, 2,48,000 in the POCO M2 Pro. So next I got the POCO X2 device. So it is a POCO X2 which scored around 2,84,000. So right now I got the POCO X3 device in with me, as you can see here, POCO X3 here. And let me try to show you the Antutu benchmark. So as you can see here friends, it scored around 2,78,000. So one thing is that 710 processor, 720G, 730G and 732G. So there is a little bit of difference between both of the smartphones, but there is not that major significant difference I did observe between both of the phones. So there is only few amount of difference. So sometimes if I do the test, we might be getting 2,80,000 as well. So these two processors are pretty close to each other in my opinion. So next is that OnePlus Nord device, so which has a Snapdragon 765G, so which is other pretty good processor, which actually scored 3,22,000 as you can clearly see in the OnePlus Nord device. So starting with the OnePlus Nord, the 3 lakhs has been started the benchmark score. So next is a Redmi K20 Pro device, which has a Snapdragon 855 processor in this phone, as you can see, which scored around 4,28,000. You can clearly see here friends. So 4,20,000. So let me move the phone side so you can actually capture it one here. So here is a Realme X2 Pro, which has a Snapdragon 855 plus processor, so which scored around 4,92,000. You can see here in the Realme X2 Pro. And finally here I got the POCO F2 Pro device. So here is a POCO F2 Pro as well, and which has a Snapdragon 865 processor, so which scored around 5,72,000. So finally friends, here is the total Antutu benchmark score in all of the smartphones, starting from 710, 720, 730G, 732G and 765G and 855 plus and 865 processor. So this is just the comparison between the Snapdragon processors only. So on the back side you can see there are other smartphones which are having the MediaTek Helio or G90, G85, G35. There are so many other processors, Kirin 810 processor as well, which is from the Honor 9X Pro. So I got another comparison coming very soon. So make sure to subscribe and follow me so regularly, in case if you're planning to buy the POCO X3 smartphone in the first sale. So make sure to watch all my videos in my channel. So definitely I'll be doing so many in-depth reviews on each and every smartphone, so that you will know more details about each and every phone before actually buying the phone. So don't forget to check the playlist of individual smartphones as well. Everything will be available, links in the description for wallpapers and everything. So make sure to subscribe, share my videos and like my videos friends. So thank you for all your support, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.